So, hi guys! The eligibility criteria po for the home care worker immigration pilots that will be open on March this year. Una po, must hold equivalent of a Canadian high school diploma, and it will be proven po na meron kayong ECA, Educational Credential Assessment, yung report na nanggagaling sa assessment to prove that you pass the education requirements. And then, pangalawa is possess recent and relevant work experience for the job na a-applyan mo. Na yung recency ng anong tawag nito, experience sa a-applyan mong trabaho dito. It's for kung childcare ang experience mo, so sa childcare ka mag-apply, and then it's for kung ang experience mo is for elderly din ang applyan mo dito sa Canada. So it must be related. And then, pangatlo is secure a full-time job offer coming from a Canadian employer or a Canadian coming from the Canadian Home Care Service Center or sector. So, diya ka maghanap ng dyan manggagaling ang job offer mo. So, ang pang-apat, ayun yung IELTS. So, you must have to achieve the minimum level of... Hi guys, this is the language test equivalency chart. So CLB4, dapat makaabot ka niyan. Reading is 3.5, writing 4, listening 4.5, speaking 4. So dapat makaabot ka niyan or at least aim higher for you to pass the language test.